Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you how to make a headband out of your scarf, and well, not make a headband out of the scarf, how to tie a headband with your scarf. Yeah, that's right, how to tie a headband with your scarf. I hope you like this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comment section and click the like button if you like this video. So without talking too much, let's jump right into today's video. Yeah, so we'll be using this scarf for this video. It's a very long scarf. I got this scarf from Tesco's F&F Clothing sometime last year. Yeah, so we'll be using this very long scarf. I hope you can see it. So we're going to fold the scarf into four different folds like this. I hope this is clear enough. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So this is the first fold. Yeah, like this. Don't know if you can see. I really hope you can see this. Like this. So can you see? Can you see that? Okay, so it's like this. So you do it like this and you start braiding. I really hope you can see what I'm doing. Can you see this? I really should come close to the camera so you can see very well. Yeah. So going to braid this, because at the end of the day we want the band to look like a braided band. You know that braided band that was raining some time back on the Nigerian space on Instagram? That's the kind of band we are making. Yeah. So we're going to make this with the scarf. So you see the way I'm braiding it. Yeah, so I'm going to braid it like that till we get to the ends of the scarf, like this. So this is the, I'm just going to bring this one out. And you know, just if you have loose ends like this, just find a way to tuck it in, because with the scarf you're not going to see, you're not going to be 100% smooth, but that is going to be at the back, so we don't care if it looks like that, because it's going to be at the back of our head. So we're going to have this place at the front, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. So at the end of the day, you should have something that looks like this. Please make sure this one is tucked inside. Though it's going to be at the back, so you don't necessarily need that to look 100%. But yeah, so this is what we have. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to place this on my head so you see what I'm talking about and see how it looks. Sorry if I'm looking down, that's because my mirror is right here on the table, so I'm sorry for that. Yeah, so I have this. I'm going to turn back. That is the look I created at the beginning. So I'm just going to pass this part into the loop like that. And just wrap it around this way. Be careful with your hair. Like I have this full hair on, so it's just going to. You have to be careful so that you don't pull out your hair. Yeah, so just wrap it around like that. That's the back, and this is the front. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me grow, okay? All right, see you in my next video. Bye.